Irritated with pesky telemarketers and frequent unsolicited SMSs on your phone, now the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has cracked down with a series of new regulations. But these measures have failed in the past. Will anything change this time around?
Another attempt to end those annoying bulk SMSs and pesky calls. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has now issued a new regulation cracking the whip on bulk SMSs and unregistered telemarketers. The new regulation says that a telecom service provider will be fined 5,000 rupees if the TRAI receives a complaint against it. If those calls and SMSs are sent on behalf of a bank or a real estate agent, TRAI will cut off all telecom services to that bank or company after the third complaint.
Registered telemarketers के थ्रू ही काम करवाना है, नहीं तो लीगल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस होंगी, बाकी वो खुद समझदार है.
The regulatory authority had been struggling to control the menace of pesky texts and calls for almost 3 years now. In September 2011, TRAI issued another regulation notifying that only 100 texts can be sent per day from a single SIM connection. In November last year, consumers could register their complaints over the telephone. Finally, in May this year, TRAI started the process of blacklisting companies. But none of these methods worked.
I don't think so. They will be changing their matter. No, I don't think so.
It could be very harsh to, implement it on everyone.
When TRAI had started the process of regulating bulk SMSs and calls, they decided to register telemarketers, and if consumers opted out, they felt the problem could be solved. But now, by including service providers as well as those on whose behalf telemarketing was being done, for example, the banks and real estate companies, TRAI feels that they can control the menace at the source itself. But the real question is, has TRAI got enough safeguards in place to make sure that these regulations are not misused? In New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for News First at 10.